Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Kenya and you're welcome to this channel. This is my first video. As you all can see, I'm taking a random walk outside here. It's a very beautiful place. This other side has apartments, and this afternoon I decided to take a walk along the railway line, but I'll be leaving it just ahead. So you're welcome. My name is Kenya and this is my first video. I'll be doing more adventure and I'll be posting here on my channel. I hope that you guys will have fun. I hope that you will enjoy, and in case you guys notice anything, just let me know. I can always make a correction. I can improve somewhere. You can give me tips on how to go about this. If you need me to go visit somewhere, like you have an idea, let me know. If there is something you want to see, let me know. But for now, this is my first video and I hope that you all will have fun. Yeah. This is a place called Kenyatta Road. Kenyatta Road is in Juja constituency in Kiambu County, and it's a lovely place. Yeah, and let's walk together. You see, this is a church known as Pefa Church. Pefa in full, I don't know if Pefa is an abbreviation. I think so. I think it's an abbreviation. So I want to walk on that road, but I think cars are passing there and there's a little bit of dust. Wow, but this place is so beautiful. As you can see, it's green. You can see the horizon almost. This railway lives here. It goes all the way to a place known as, let me walk this way. It goes to a place known as, okay, first, the next station from here, just before you get to this place, is called Ruiru. Ruiru is also not far. Then the next stop, I think it's in Thick or something. I'm not so sure, but something like that, just around that place. So it's a very beautiful place. That is a motorcycle stage where guys who do motorcycle business park as they wait for customers and also rest. So I'm going to take this route. I'm going to take this route here and leave the railway. We have a school here called the Valley View School. It's a kindergarten. It's a kindergarten for kids. And definitely it's a private school, so it sure is a good school. Those small farms here, people farming. Another one here. People are farming. Another one around this side. People are farming. And you know, in Africa, farming is a famous activity. Yeah. Yeah, we also have some small grocery shops. This is how grocery shops look. We have a small chemist here, but it's even closed. Ooh. The chemist is closed, so I don't know. I don't know how people here are accessing health services. I don't know how many people here. The small shops, local shops here. Another small grocery store. Yeah. Go. We have another church right here. It's called Gloria Springs Baptist Church. And actually in Africa, the places in places where people are mostly okay, the religion around there, if it's Christianity, Muslim or something, you'll always find their place of worship. So in this case, here we have many churches because most people are Christians. Look at this neighborhood. It's cool, it's developing. Oh, don't film these people. That's a salesperson. We still have buildings here. Nice, very nice place. Very beautiful and cool. It's also still developing. Have very nice houses around. Let's take a turn here. Some more people. Look at this house, guys. So I have been to this place not once or twice, but this probably could be the third time. Oh. Let's take another turn. Very beautiful houses. It's a very quiet neighborhood. Those people and kids. Here is very beautiful, and it's gated. It's a gated community, so that's why you can see how it looks. They have a certain design, houses and all that. Look at that house. Yeah, we keep going. I got myself some water to keep me going. It's so hot. Yeah. Put on pieces of land around this place, and very soon it will be more developed than right now, because right now we already have people have built their houses, but with time we will have more and more developments. Yeah, you see, like here the gate is not yet installed, but it's like a temporary one, but they already built the house and the fence. So it means more developments. We have more other houses there. Another gate. This place is very beautiful. I think there is a river ahead, though I'm not sure. And also here, not yet installed the gate. This other place also still constructing. See, the gate is not yet finished. Now, let's look at this place. This place has like, there's a certain construction. Look at that. Look at that, look at that, look at that. It's a very beautiful place. So, I would love to know what's going on here. I don't know if it's the dam that's being constructed. There is a certain water body around here, and we have a lot of soil. That's what I'm not sure about. Let's get closer and see. Actually can't see anything because this soil is red, and the one around the bank or wherever of that water body is black. It's like black volcanic soil, so I don't really understand. Maybe I should ask someone. Yeah, no roads around here, but we have beautiful trees. The nature is awesome. Habari, unaweza kuwa unajua huku kunajengwa nini hizi nitwaje? Yeah, so I just asked someone around there, and he told me that this soil is for a certain dam, a different one that's ahead. Let me show you guys. Okay, I think you can't see, but just around that electricity pole there's a small fence, and that's the dam. Let me see if I can be able to reach there. I should come to this place. Habari. The water is flowing. Look at this, look at that. This water actually comes from a certain river, and I think because of how the ground looks, I want to be able to reach the other side so that I can show you the dam. Let's just get a closer view of this small stream. Look at this water. think I'll have to go back. I think I'll have to go back. The dam is right there. Let me zoom it for you guys. Right there where we have electricity poles. And today it seems like it could rain in the evening. Yeah, in Africa, that's how we know the weather, by looking at the sky. We don't use weather forecast. I don't know what. That's Africa for you. Yeah, let's keep going. Let me see what this soil is. Let's see what's in these neighborhoods, what's interesting and what's not. There's another heap of soil right here, and I was told that it came from the dam. A dam is like a water collection, but it's man-made. People dig a certain place and then they remove the soil there, and naturally the rainwater collects there, and people are able to use that water for many purposes. Like those who have livestock, they can use it for drinking, and then also those who do farming, mostly, like you see around this place is all farming, all farms, except the houses over there. Like this person has sugarcane. Yeah, so that's how people use the water, just a few of them. And also in construction, now that guys, you've seen this place, a lot of construction is taking place. That should tell you that they also need a lot of water. And since the dam is a natural source of water, not natural, man-made. Yeah, they're able to get the water from there, and it really reduces the cost for them. I have a farm here. It's a sugarcane farm. It goes all the way down. We have residents around this place. Also have somewhere I needed to show you guys. Yeah, so there is a neighborhood around here that I need to show you guys. Let me get closer. So from here you can see a mosque. That white one is a mosque. Yeah, so let's keep going. They closed this road. That one, I would have passed there, but for now just have to use what's available. Look at these houses. They are very nice houses. All that. Have other ones there, just next to the mosque. Yeah, also got I think I'll use, no, it's closed also. That road is closed. There to show you, to give you a better view of those mansions around that place. So I also got myself some mints. That's a menthol mints. Yeah, because I love chewing. Yeah. Let's go and see where this road gets us to. This is Africa for you. And to be specific, Kenya. I think I'll leave this road up here and go down. It looks like it could be more fun down here. Though we don't have really big houses here, but most are under construction. This one. That one is complete. Have small farms like that one. Actually, kitchen gardens. You'll find that most people in Africa, most people get, even if they have a small piece of land, they will they'll always put aside a small piece. Even if they have a big piece, they'll always put aside a small piece for them to plant small requirements for the kitchen, like kales, tomatoes, and all that. Just small portions of it, not large, for daily use at home. Yeah, so this place, see how it looks. Not a bad place, it's good. Yeah, you can see. It's the place where we were. Let me show you guys. I don't know if you can see around the dam. Yeah, around the dam. So I think this one will get me there. Look at another big house here. Very beautiful. Let's keep going. Have some sheep. We have a donkey here, and in Africa people have keep donkeys for many purposes, like transport. Mostly that's the most transporting luggages. Yeah, so we arrived where I wanted to, and guys, this place is awesome. You can see many farms. People are planting, others already planted, depending on, I think, the crop, because it's bad. Wow. We have some people there in the farm. Hope you can see them. All this place is only farming. And as I told you, most people get water from actually the stream that I just showed you. That stream runs down here. Let me get there so that I can show you. It runs down, and then the people who farm up there where I just came from, they get their water from the dam. Though I'm not sure, it looks like a newly constructed dam, but at the end of the day, they're getting water because recently there has been a lot of rain. So it means there's collection of water in the dam. Let's see this stream. Here is the stream that I just came from up there. Look at it, guys. Africa is so beautiful. It's very beautiful. So much. So I think, guys, that will be the end of my video. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.